Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says, in each of the following questions, a statement of assertion is given followed by the corresponding statement of reason. Of the statements, mark the correct answer as. So the options are A, if both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B says if both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. C says if A is true but R is false, and D says if A is false and R is true. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें असर्शन रीजन की दो स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन है एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू विच वी नीड टू फाइंड द करेक्ट आंसर. असर्शन की स्टेटमेंट है दैट कंडीशनल रीअब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ सोडियम आयन एंड वाटर takes place in DCT, which is distal convoluted tubule. And reason की statement है the DCT allows passive absorption of sodium ion and active absorption of chloride ion along with water. तो इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में हमारा की कंसेप्ट हो जाएगा the structure of nephron and the function of its part and its function. अब हम बात करें नेफ्रॉन की. नेफ्रॉन is basically the structural and functional unit of kidney, which helps in the excretion of nitrogenous waste. एंड जो हमारा नेफ्रॉन का स्ट्रक्चर होता है, दिस स्ट्रक्चर contains a total of 4 parts, which is first is glomerulus, second is PCT, which is proximal convoluted tubule, third is Henle's loop, while fourth is DCT. DCT का फुल फॉर्म होता है distal convoluted tubule. And this distal convoluted tubule helps in the secretion of ions such as hydrogen ion, potassium ion and ammonia into the filtrate, and from this particular filtrate it helps in the reabsorption of bicarbonate ions, which is HCO3 minus. Another mechanism is also present in this DCT, which is known as conditional reabsorption. This conditional reabsorption is defined as the removal of solute particles along with water from the tubular fluid, and this is later transported to blood. This whole mechanism is known as conditional reabsorption. And in DCT, the conditional reabsorption of sodium ion, chloride ion and water takes place. For the sodium ion, it is active absorption, while in the case of chloride ion and the water, it is diffusion. Now let's read the statements again. Assertion की statement कहती है that conditional reabsorption of sodium ion and water takes place in distal convoluted tubule. तो ये statement हमारी correct है. और reason की statement है that DCT allows passive absorption of sodium ion and active absorption of chloride ion along with water. ये statement हमारी wrong है because we know that it is the reverse, that in sodium ion it is active, while in the case of chloride ion it is passive or diffusion. So for this particular question, our final answer turns out to be option C, where assertion statement is true but reason is false. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.